Hello friends, how to configure DHCP server. DHCP server setup completed. DHCP server configuration progress. Open DHCP server. Right click IP version 4 and select the new scope. Enter scope name. Click to next. Enter range of address that the scope distributed. Click to next. Add escalation and deployed IP address. Click to add. After, click to next. Enter lease duration. Click to next. Click yes, I want to configure the DHCP server options. This scope now. Click to next. Enter default gateway IP addresses. Enter the DNS server IP address or host name. The system is automatically detected. Click to next. If you have a Win server, enter IP addresses. If the yes scope will be activated immediately, click to finish. Scope created. Now let's make IP reservation on this server. In the reservation selection, click on the new reservation. In the reservation selection, click on the new reservation. Enter reservation name. Enter IP address. Enter MAC address. Open CMD. Enter getmac physical IP address. Enter description. Click close. IP reservation completed. Thank you for watching this video.